everyone, and welcome back. I'm Dr. Susan Jordan. Have you ever looked at your body and wondered, could I be pregnant? Maybe your period is late, you've been feeling unusually tired, or you've noticed changes that just don't feel normal. If so, you're not alone. Millions of women ask themselves the same question every day. The truth is that pregnancy doesn't always begin with obvious signs. In fact, your body starts changing almost immediately after conception, long before you can see a baby bump. These changes are caused by pregnancy hormones that prepare your body to support your growing baby. However, every woman experiences pregnancy differently. Some women notice symptoms within the first few weeks, while others may not feel anything at all until much later. That's why it's important to understand the most common early signs of pregnancy and know when it's time to take a pregnancy test. The first and most common sign is a missed period. If your menstrual cycle is usually regular and your period doesn't arrive on time, pregnancy could be the reason. However, stress, hormonal changes, certain medications, or medical conditions can also delay your period. That's why a missed period alone isn't enough to confirm pregnancy. Another very common symptom is morning sickness. Despite its name, nausea can happen at any time of the day. Some women feel slightly nauseous, while others may vomit frequently. This usually begins around the 4th to 6th week of pregnancy and is caused by rising pregnancy hormones. You may also notice that your breasts become sore, swollen, or more sensitive than usual. Your nipples may appear darker, and the veins in your breasts may become more visible as your body prepares for breastfeeding. Another early sign is extreme tiredness. Even after getting enough sleep, you may still feel exhausted throughout the day. This happens because your body is working harder than ever to support your developing baby, and increased progesterone levels can make you feel sleepy. Many women also notice frequent urination. As pregnancy hormones increase and blood flow to your kidneys rises, you may find yourself visiting the bathroom much more often, even during the early weeks. Some women experience food cravings or food aversions. Foods you once loved may suddenly make you feel sick, while you may start craving completely different foods. A stronger sense of smell is also common, making certain odors seem much more intense than before. Some women may also notice light implantation bleeding or mild cramping. This can happen when the fertilized egg attaches to the lining of the uterus. Implantation bleeding is usually much lighter than a normal period and lasts only a short time. If you're experiencing several of these symptoms together, the best next step is to take a home pregnancy test after your missed period. For the most accurate results, follow the instructions carefully and use your first morning urine whenever possible. If your test is positive, schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider as soon as you can. Early prenatal care is one of the most important steps you can take to protect both your health and your baby's health. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dr. Susan Jordan. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may benefit from this information. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.